Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'll be testing out the Aroma Tuner, which I bought on the Wish app for less than $1. So today let's see how this one works. So it does come with instructions, but we're not going to use it since it's pretty simple to work a tuner. This tuner only came in one color, which it's made out of plastic, and it takes the circle battery, which is the CR2032. Now one thing is it doesn't come with this, so you need to go get one unless you have another tuner. You guys can take that one out and put it into this one. So very easy to install, and right in the back there's a small power button. Most tuners you will hold down the button until you see the display turn on, and it also acts as a action button. So this tuner can be used for multiple instruments. Just by pushing the button, you can tune guitar, violin, ukulele, bass, and then the chromatic tuner. So let's test this out by tuning out my ukulele. So as you can hear and see, it does what it is supposed to do, and it does it pretty well. I kind of like the display, very bright, and you can see everything. And lastly, you can also move it around to see the display. So I'll try to leave the exact link down below in the description. You guys can go check it out on the Wish app. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on another video.